Welcome to the Michigan Runner Show. Join us each time as we explore the people, the places, and the events that shape our great sport.
These are Hi, Carter. Somebody shooting the start and finish. I was over at Optimus Park and I shot stills of the 1 mile where they
the bridge they go around. You can do that little circle and you go across the freeway. Got a few volunteers here making sure they all make the right turn. I think I hear a little bit of excitement down here. Okay, here they come. Our top 2 runners and a few more after that. Good. See a long stream of them soon. The rain is quit, there's no wind, it is perfect for running. Cloudy, cool, 50-degree day, this is perfect. You can come up on the sidewalk. Unless they want to go up here, I guess, yeah.
Hey, Nathan!
Either way. There goes the first 2. I'm gonna watch him go over. That's your son? Good. And there he goes around. Go. And he's heading up. So there he goes. We'll follow him all the way across there. We're going to go up on the bridge there. Another perspective here soon. We'll watch him circle up and go across.
Hey, how'd you get those girls?
There he goes. There he goes across. Okay, we're going to go up on the bridge and watch them come along after this runner right here.
Over here, buddy. Good, how are you?
And there you go. Cool. Okay, we're going to do the bridge walk here. Show you what it's really like. Only in slow motion. Okay, here come a couple guys right there. Cool. Okay, here comes one up. Couple of them. 3 more. Another one, another one. They do the circle. Our first female, happy as she can be. Here they go. Way to go, guys. Awesome. Okay, now, even though we gotta look through the fence, we can see them coming along the way here. Well, I put it in right there. You can almost see where they're coming up. They run along the road there. Cars alongside of them there. Got 1 lane. That's a good setup. There's a few of them coming. Yep. Yep. More here coming up. And then here's the bridge. We'll go up to the very top up here. There he goes. Keeping it going. Awesome. This is the bridge bouncing up. But there they are. Happy runner there. I love it. Yeah, way to do it. There's one of my fellow runners. I forgot his name, but hey. Way to go, man. Keep it going. Way to go. Happy runners here. I love it for running after that big rainstorm. Love it. Young lady here. And look, we have probably a 10-year-old. Cool. I love it. That's awesome. There she goes. There's a future superstar right there. Future marathoner. Cool. Go around the circle. Someone just came around me. Okay. Okay, we'll get a few coming off the bridge here. There it is. And then they head down the way here on the sidewalk or the road. And there they go. Here come a couple more coming off the bridge, and then they head down this way here. See the runners? Here we are. You don't miss these people with these neon shirts. Pretty cool. There they go. They're moving. Keep it going, guys. Looking good, guys. No, that way. That way. To the left. To the left. Yep. All right.
Thank you.
Okay, here's our leaders, our front two. Watch, runners are coming. You gotta go to the right, gotta go to the right. Here's our leader right there. Heading up the ramp, the circle ramp. Here's number 2 with the Ford shirt on. And he's circling up and over, there he goes. Number 2, there they go, up and over. You'll see him there. Dink, 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 dink.